Smart buildings are everywhere. Internet of Things, property technology, connected platforms, and new interactions make buildings more responsive to occupants' needs, sustainable and stimulate productivity. A true smart building even diagnoses itself and proactively predicts interventions to stay healthy in the future. In a large real estate portfolio, the number of actions that come from these smart building platforms can be huge. Based on your portfolio strategy, financial constraints, and business priorities, you need a fast and compliant decision-making process. Planon Universe includes all business parameters for correct decision-making. By integrating smart building platforms with Planon Universe and automating the process of decision-making, business responses are faster, better aligned with business priorities, and transformed into real-world actions. Smart building platforms integrated with Planon Universe deliver better decisions, drive faster responses with effective actions, reduce compliancy risks, increase ROI on maintenance efforts, and ultimately transform your smart buildings into smart business.